talk about advertising versus other monetization methods, like are there any other monetization? Because it seems like publishers are relying too much on the ads. Are there any other revenue models which a publisher needs to focus on?
Well, we are completely programmatic ads monetized, so definitely I have a bias for that. Subscriptions are definitely becoming a thing in the market. That with Substack coming in and New York Times doing the public subscription business really well. In India, there's the Ken. So subscription businesses are becoming a thing. Athletic did subscription. But my opinion in subscription is I've seen that a lot of companies start with, let's say, a $10 a month subscription, but most of the time they're running a campaign to sell it for $1. So
Absolutely, that's
just
the
looking
whole.
at that makes me think I don't know how good their conversion numbers are.
Hmm.
And as somebody who's a big believer of internet, I do believe in the power of free internet.
Hmm.
So, and ads allow us to run this internet free, right? It allows us to give amazing quality content
Same
for
here,
free
man. Same
by
here.
using
I
programmatic
also
ads.
believe in the same thing. I mean, I
Yeah.
just hate anybody who is, giving away some stuff and then keeping it behind the paywall. Essentially, the paywall is what Google is calling it technically when we call it
Yeah.
subscription. So,
Yeah.
paywall is one thing, and then there
Paywall
are
is one thing.
other. What are some other things which you, as a publisher, see like this could be some monetization methods?
So e-commerce is also a straightforward one.
Mhm.
Definitely e-commerce makes a lot of sense because let's say we have a lot of Michael Jordan fans, let's say, read our website.
So
Then
merch.
Last Dance comes out. Then there are a lot of memes being going around
Mhm.
Last Dance. So it makes total sense to, let's say, put those quotes on a t-shirt and give it to the fans. Fans would love
Right.
it. Fans would buy it. And I've seen a lot of successes with e-commerce in the media businesses. Like
Mhm.
Barstool Sports in America is a big example of who has done e-commerce well with media. That's one business model. Then I think newsletters are evolving in a way where newsletters don't do programmatic ads, but instead there are more direct relation paid partnerships that are
Mhm.
going on, which yield good numbers for publishers. So I would definitely recommend branded partnerships as a
Mhm.
good route to make good revenue
What is
on.
your percentage of ad versus the other revenue models?
Um, Ads primarily is our majority revenue model because we have tried to be more lean as a team. We don't set up a sales team or like as an engineer run organization, we want to invest more on our moat, that is content, and
Mhm.
everything else you want to automate for scale.
Right. Right.
And running a salesperson service angle, we are not looking for that. Like because once you get like that sales team in, you are kind of servicing the client to get
Mhm.
that paid audience in, which we are not looking for. Instead, we might build something more of a product-based approach, where let's say we are building communities, we are building more solutions
Mhm.
that our fans want as a sports engagement platform.
Right. So if